So in this problem, we need to verify the following. We'll begin our problem from the left-hand side. So here we have sine 5x. So let's do one thing. Let's add it to sine x minus 2 times sine of angle 3x divided by cosine of 5x minus cosine of x. Now, sine 5x plus sine x, that can be written as sine A plus sine B equals to 2 times sine of angle A plus B over 2 multiplied to cosine of A minus B over 2. And in the denominator, we have the cosine of A minus cosine of B. So here we can apply negative 2 times sine of angle A plus B over 2 times sine of angle A minus B over 2. Let's apply the formula. So we have sine 5x plus sine x, so that will become 2 times sine of the angle 5x plus x divided by 2 multiplied to cosine of 5x minus x over 2 minus 2 times sine 3x whole divided by 2 times negative 2 times sine of the angle 5x plus x over 2 times sine of the angle 5x minus x over 2. Let's further simplify. We get 2 times sine of angle. So 5x over x, 5x plus x, that's going to be 6x. 6x divided by 2 gives us 3x. Multiplied to cosine of, where 5x minus x, that's 4x. 4x over 2 will be 2x. Minus 2 times sine of 3x divided by negative 2 times sine. So we have 5x plus x, that's going to be 6x. So 6x divided by 2 is going to give us 3x. Multiplied to sine of, so we have 5x minus x, that's 4x. 4x divided by 2 will be 2x. Okay, so what we'll do in the numerator, we're going to take negative 2 sine 3x as the common factor. That will get multiplied to 1 minus cosine of 2x whole divided by, we have negative 2 sine 3x times sine of 2x. So here we can factor out negative 2 sine 3x from the numerator and the denominator. So that will be equals to, we have now 1 minus cosine of 2x divided by sine of 2x. Which will be equals to, now what is 1 minus cosine 2x? Now 1 minus cosine 2x, that will be 2 times sine squared x divided by, now sine 2x, we can expand it to get 2 times sine x times cosine x. So let's note down the formula that we've used. So now we can factor out 1, 2 from the numerator and the denominator, and 1 sine x from the numerator and the denominator. So that leaves us with sine x over cosine x. So that's nothing but the tangent function, which is the expression on the right hand side. Hence proved.